Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your country on Gmail in just a few simple steps. Whether you've moved or just need to update your account, this guide will make the process easy and hassle-free. First, open your Gmail account. Once you're logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. This will open a small menu with several options. Look for Manage your Google account and click it. You'll now be taken to your Google account settings. On the left-hand side, you'll see a navigation menu. Click on Personal Info. This is where all your basic information, like your name, birthday, and address, is stored. Scroll down until you find the Address section. Here, locate your home address and click on it. A new window will open where you can add or edit your address. Make sure to enter your new address in the correct format for your chosen country, including the postal code to avoid any errors. Once you've updated your address, don't forget to click Save. This step is crucial because it confirms your changes and updates the country linked to your Google account. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Gmail country. This simple update can improve your search results and make apps and media in your Google account align with your new location. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more tutorials to make the most of your Google account.